Hello, this is our prototype vending machine controller. Uh, I will start now. When you click start, uh, go to application, is you will see loading screen in the first page. And next is log in. You need to type your ID and your password, and the next you can enter. When you enter, you will see your machine here, and when you click first machine, it will see your money and say that you can lock your machine. Yes, and unlock. Yeah, you see when you lock, you will see you say that here. Okay, and machine 2 is same the machine 1. You can click to lock and unlock, and you will see the money here. Machine 3 is same machine 1 and machine 2. Okay, and next feature is account. You can change your account here, change your password here. When you click is go to change password page, and you can enter your password here and read password here and enter. And when you click enter, it will show the window to check your sure to change your password. When you cancel is the back to change password page. And if you enter your password, it will back to account page. Okay, this that all. Thank you.